really shallow. We're at the bottom of the tide. Just at the bottom of the tide now. The current's not that strong, so try to cast any structure, see if we can get a bite. Very snaggy here, so expecting to get snagged for sure, without a doubt. But hopefully we don't. Hopefully we don't. I do have some weedless hooks. Always a good fish. It's a good fish. What is that? I think that's a whiting, eh? No, it's not. It's a flathead. He hit that so aggressively, it's just... Is it a flathead? No, it's just a big whiting. He hit that real aggressively, eh? There we go. It didn't take long. It's probably up in the 30s for sure. That didn't take long at all, guys. Probably my second cast. And that's pushing like late 30s. I'm not going to measure it. We'll just put him back in the water, but that's an awesome start there. So there we go. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get something else. That is actually a really big whiting. He crunched that plastic. Just get him out. I'm not going to measure him. He's not my PB, but he's definitely pushing 40. Close to. I'll release him. Yeah, it's gone. It's an awesome start. That was a second cast, so hopefully there's some more fish around, but he took that really well. There we go. I wonder if it's just more whiting, or there's another bite. There's another bite. Oh yeah. Wouldn't have a clue what this is. Maybe a brim. I don't know, maybe a brim. Yeah, it is. It's a small brim. Nothing big. Put him back in. Nothing to showcase. A little backwards release. And off we go. Let's see if we can get another fish. Hopefully a few more fish. Oh yeah, he's on. There's another one. It's looking good this morning, for sure. This could be a bit better. I think it's a brim. Probably slightly better, I reckon. Yeah, it's slightly better. Still not the biggest brim, although he's an upgrade from the other one. Okay. Bit of Hollywood drag there. Bit of Hollywood drag. He took one more run. He's actually not bad at all, eh? Underestimated him. Definitely underestimated him. He's a nice brim. There we go, guys. Our third fish. Slightly pushing legal. Nothing too serious, but third fish in probably like 10 casts, so awesome stuff. Let's see if we can get a few more. Tie up the session. And yeah, put this guy back and see if we can get another one. There we go, guys. Beautiful fish. Put him back. He's alright. He's gone. See if we can get our fourth fish. We haven't had many casts, so I'm not complaining at all. Oh yeah. Yep, got him. Oh, I don't think it's big. They're just hitting it on the drop, eh? It's got to be a brim. That's got to be a brim. Yep. He's not big though. He's not big at all. Nothing to see here. Put him back, straight back in. Alright, let's get you out as quick as we can. He's not big at all, guys. Sort of hooked him a bit foul in the nose, but he's out. Small brim. Still hitting it on the drop. So it's a good sign they're still around, but we want something a bit bigger, eh? Just going to put some ProCure on because the bite slowed down. So if the bite slows down, don't be shy. Put some scent on. It's a sketchy job, but there's scent on it. That's what we want. Let's see if it makes a difference. I think it should. I think it should get a bite. Scent should help. Yep, there's a bite. Got him. Fish number 5. Just like that, guys. Don't be afraid to put some scent on if you're not getting the bite. It's not a bad fish, eh? Oh. He's alright. Not a bad fish, not a bad fish. I think he's wrapped me around his fin actually. Hence why he's fighting like that. There you go. Bit of scent. Does the job. He's not big. Again, I've foul hooked him through the nose, but they're all the same size here, eh? Hopefully there's a big one out there. Missed a good hook up, eh? That was a really good fish. Got him. I think this guy, yeah, he's better. Yep, we've got a good one, guys. That's the one I wanted. He's got some weight on him, eh? He's definitely got some weight on him. Don't know if it's a brim though. Did I foul hook this bloke? I think I foul hooked him, eh? Yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up with this brim. He's a nice one too. Still not the biggest, but there we go. He's the biggest we've caught so far, I reckon. So we'll wrap it up. Alright guys, so I think that's the 5th brim, 4th brim. He's probably the biggest out of all of them. Still around that legal size, so nothing too big, but as you can see, they're taking that minnow real well on the 1/16th and the 1/12th. And yeah, we'll release this guy back in the drink. No measurements, nothing serious. Might go for one more flick, see what happens anyways. So it's been a great session. I might give it one more flick. Put this guy back in. See you later. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that session. That was actually probably my most productive brim session I've had to date with lures. And they weren't big. The quality wasn't there, but definitely the quantity was there, so definitely made a good session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll probably do more of this creek sort of style fishing because I'm getting good feedback on it. So I'm also going to be testing out the Holt Prawn 2-inch coming soon. So I've got those coming in the mail. So hopefully when I get a grip on those, I'm going to give them a crack and see if I can crack some brim on them. And yeah, hopefully you liked the video. Click the link below, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. God bless.